Hi, and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle. This is your host Shaitij Bhatnagar, and today we're going to be learning about the new cyclone that has struck Gujarat. So let's get started. Firstly, it has caused a lot of destruction in the places that it has struck. Currently, it is messing up with the property in Gujarat. There are a lot of people that went missing due to that storm, and it is one of the most dangerous tropical cyclone that has ever hit any country. So, with that said, let's hop on to the facts that a lot of people doesn't know about that cyclone. So the cyclone is named Taukte and not Taukte as most of us pronounces that. And why it is named so, that is the content of our next video, which I'll talk to you about that. Why is it named so in the next video. For now, let's focus on that the cyclone is named as Taukte and it struck Gujarat on May 17, 2021, and this is the image produced by NASA just a few hours before it fell around Porbandar. Okay, so the cyclone consisted of winds moving at around 185 kilometers per hour, which is huge. So the destruction caused by it is we can't even have calculated how much destruction it has caused till now, but the speeds of the winds which are in this cyclone are immense. 185 kilometers per hour is huge, so huge that it has been named as the fifth strongest cyclone to ever hit any country since 1988, and that is a very long time. Very long time. So even before the cyclone made a landfall, it continued destruction on the coast of Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala over the weekend before coming to Gujarat on May 17. So the formation of the cyclone usually goes, it's a total scientific logic how it goes, but we're going to talk about how it was formed. And the upper level winds were very calm. They were totally conducive to the making of the storm, and the temperature of the sea, which should not be greater than 27 degrees Celsius if we are trying not to form a storm. 27 degrees Celsius से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, but the winds were calm on the upper half. The sea, उसका temperature went up to 31 degrees Celsius, which contributed to the conditions of the formation of a cyclone. So with that said, we'll wrap up today's video here only, and we'll see why the cyclone was named Taukte in the next video. Till then, just pray, just hope for the betterment of the people who are suffering from this cyclone in Gujarat, because that place is facing too much destruction. So let's hope that it gets better day by day. But it's kind of difficult because another cyclone is coming up, which has been named as Yas or Yes somehow. I don't know why, but we'll talk about that in the next video. How they are naming the cyclones, how the nomenclature goes like. That's for the next video. Till then, just pray that everything goes well in Gujarat and wherever the storm is going. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay knowledgeable. I will see you in the next video. Bye.